So once you have created the link for, all right, so so I will perform a demo on how you can actually send an invoice using this Singapore tenant account. All right, okay. So in my QuickBooks account, so let me go tenant. Okay, so this Act Pro Singapore talent has been actually connected to this Act Pro talent in QuickBooks account. Okay, so all right, so you will create an invoice as per usual. Okay. So let's say this Act Pro Singapore talent will want to send an invoice to Act Pro Consultancy. All right. So basically, I have already created an invoice which has been sent to Act Pro Consultancy. So you will fill up the fields as per usual on how you want to do your invoicing, the customer, okay, terms, invoice date, description, and the amount. Okay. Most important thing to take note is that when you create your customer for Act Pro Consultancy, make sure that under customers or consultancy wise, when you create your customer, okay, make sure that the UEN is being being saved inside the customer information. If this UEN is being blank, is leave blank, the link for will not able to work. So this is very important to record the UEN in order to send over to the invoice now for to the customer. Okay. So okay, so going back to the invoice. So this is the invoice which has already been created and sent over to consultancy. Okay. So when you create the invoice and you save as per usual, okay, and you go back to your link for under my invoices, you are able to see Act Pro Consultancy Services. Okay, this is the invoice being sent once you save your invoice in QuickBooks. You under my invoices, you will see me appearing here. Okay, and you will need some time for the status to process, and then the final status you will see sent by invoice now to this Act Pro Consultancy Service. All right. So if I were to switch to consultancy services, so let's have a look at how the invoice is being sent over. Okay. So this is I switched over to Singapore Consultancy. Okay. So talent has actually sent over to consultancy. All right, the invoice. So under consultancy, okay, consultancy is able to see the invoice being sent over to talent, as you can see from the screen here. Okay, so this is the invoice which is being received by consultancy for talent. Okay, so once the status is delivered through invoice now, okay, so as usual, it will need time. You should need about 2 to 3 minutes to actually send over to your customer. Okay, so if I were to go to Act Pro Consultancy account in QuickBooks, so it will be automatically link over the transaction to the consultancy QuickBooks account. As you can see, the recent transaction. Okay, so this has been automatically recorded in the QuickBooks